Today I am going to discuss the topic of prime factorization from class 6. Now before knowing what is prime factorization, we must know what is a prime factor. A factor of a given number is called a prime factor if that factor is a prime number. Now let us try to understand what the definition means. Say for example, let us factorize the number 12. Now as we can see, these are the factors of 12. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. These are the factors of 12. Where you can see that the factor 2 and 3, these two factors are prime numbers. So these two factors, that is 2 and 3, are called the prime factors of 12, whereas the other factors 1, 4, 6 and 12, which are not prime numbers, so they are not prime factors. Prime factorization. What is prime factorization? To express a given number as a product of its prime factors is called prime factorization. That means to express a given number with only the prime factors, the prime numbers as factors, is called prime factorization. For example, let us factorize 36. And one thing you must remember, that when factorizing any number, we always follow the division method. We proceed in this way. 36 is an even number, so divided by 2. 2 18s are 36, still even number, so still divisible by 2. 2 9s are 18, and now 3 3s are 9. So as you can see, these are the factors that we have obtained after factorizing the number 36. As you can see, the factors that we have obtained after factorizing 36 are all prime numbers. So they are called the prime factors of 36. Now which can also be written as 2 square into 3 square. This way of writing is called exponential form. Here we have used the concept of power, and you must finish the factorization here, not here. It has to be summed up here. Why? Because this concept will be very much useful, or will be used while doing HCF and LCM. Now also, students, what if a particular number is multiplied more than 2 times? Say for example, if the number 2 is multiplying 3 times, then since the number 2 is multiplying 3 times, so your power will be 3. And if any other number, say 4, multiplying 5 times, then it will be written as 4, since it is multiplying 5 times, raised to the power 5. This is the concept of power, which will be very much useful when we do HCF and LCM. And now let us take one example of how to do prime factorization of a given number. As you can see, I have written here the question: give the prime factorization of 144. So as I have told you earlier, to factorize any number we must use the division method. So let us factorize the number 144. Since it is an even number, so we will start with the prime factor 2. Still it is a prime number, even number, so we use the prime factor 2. 218, 29. Now 9 is not an even number, so we proceed to the next prime number, that is 3. 3 3s are 9. So therefore 144 can be factorized as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now this must be expressed in the form of power notation. So here the factors are 2 and 3. 2 is multiplying 4 times, so 2 raised to the power 4, and 3 is multiplying 2 times, so 3 square. So that's how we factorize a given number. So I hope students, in this video you have understood the concept of prime factorization and also the concept of power, how to use it. It will be helpful in our next classes, that is HCF and LCM. So that's all for today. Thank you.